Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Kachavs is probably one of the most versatile and essential kitchen gadgets you can own, transforming the way you prepare meals with its innovative design and user-friendly features. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner cook, this appliance promises to elevate your culinary experience, making complex tasks simple and saving you precious time in the kitchen. Get ready to discover how this remarkable tool can become your new favorite kitchen companion, simplifying your cooking process and unlocking new levels of deliciousness. Number 5. Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder, Creamy Chocolate Fudge. Discover the power of plant-based nutrition with our organic vegan protein powder. It's a delicious way to support your active lifestyle. Indulge in the decadent taste of creamy chocolate fudge. This smooth blend is perfect for your post-workout recovery or a healthy snack. Each serving delivers a substantial 21 grams of high-quality protein to help you build and repair muscles. It's the clean fuel your body craves. With 7 grams of prebiotic fiber, it supports a healthy gut microbiome. Feel good from the inside out with every sip. Enjoy a satisfying protein boost without the unwanted sugar or lactose. It's a smart choice for those watching their carb intake. Made with non-GMO ingredients, you can trust what you're putting into your body. It's pure, plant-powered goodness. Effortlessly blend it into your favorite shakes and smoothies for a nutritious and delicious treat. It's the perfect addition to your daily routine. What we like? This option is perfect for those seeking a clean, plant-based protein source. If you are looking for a low-carb, sugar-free alternative for your shakes and smoothies, this is a great choice. It's ideal for anyone managing their sugar intake or following a keto-friendly diet. What people say. The Kachavs are incredibly comfortable and provide excellent arch support, making them perfect for long walks. The durable construction of the Kachavs ensures they hold up well even with frequent use. I love the stylish design of the Kachavs. They look great with both casual and athletic wear. Number 4. Ninja Professional Blender BL610. Experience the power of 1000 watts, designed to crush ice and break down even the toughest ingredients with ease. With its extra-large 72-ounce pitcher, you can easily create frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for everyone to enjoy. Our intelligent total crushing technology features blades that pulverize ice, fruits, and vegetables in seconds for perfect results every time. Transform ice into snow in just seconds, perfect for crafting delicious, resort-style frozen beverages. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its BPA-free, dishwasher-safe pitcher, making post-blend tidying as simple as its operation. Get started right away with the included recipe guide, offering plenty of inspiration for delicious drinks and dishes. What we like? Experience unparalleled blending power with this machine. If you need to crush ice, blend tough ingredients, or make large batches of smoothies for the whole family, this is the blender for you. Its robust performance and large capacity make it ideal for busy households and entertaining. What people say. The product is very easy to use and set up. The design is sleek and modern. It looks great in my kitchen. It has a powerful motor that handles tough ingredients with ease. Number 3. Garden of Life Vegan Raw Organic Protein Powder. Introducing a revolutionary way to nourish your body. This is more than just a shake, it's a complete meal replacement designed for your active lifestyle. Crafted with the finest organic, plant-based ingredients, it delivers exceptional protein from peas. Experience the power of nature in every sip. Packed with sprouts, greens, and probiotics, it supports your overall well-being. Plus, it's completely dairy-free, making it perfect for everyone. Enjoy the smooth, satisfying taste of vanilla that makes healthy eating a pleasure. It's the perfect blend of taste and nutrition. With 28 servings per container, it's your go-to solution for busy mornings or post-workout recovery. Simply mix and enjoy a complete, wholesome meal. Embrace a raw, organic approach to your nutrition. This formula is designed to provide maximum benefits with pure, unadulterated ingredients. What we like? This is a nutrient-dense option for a complete meal replacement. If you prioritize raw, organic ingredients and want a shake packed with greens, sprouts, and probiotics, consider this. It's excellent for individuals looking for a convenient and wholesome meal on the go. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a unique design that stands out. The functionality is excellent and meets all expectations. Number 2. Kachavs Vegan Protein Powder, Chocolate. Fuel your body with our delicious chocolate vegan protein powder. It's a rich blend of organic plant-based superfoods, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Enjoy a clean, guilt-free protein boost. This formula is completely free from erythritol, making it a healthier choice for your wellness journey. Experience the power of nature's finest ingredients. It's naturally rich in vitamins and minerals to support your overall health and vitality. Perfect for your lifestyle, whether you're following a keto diet or avoiding dairy. This plant-based option fits seamlessly into your daily routine. Looking for a convenient and nutritious meal replacement? This powder provides a satisfying option for both women and men, offering 28 servings of goodness. Indulge in the decadent taste of chocolate with every sip. It's a treat for your taste buds while nourishing your body from the inside out. What we like. Enjoy a delicious and clean protein blend without artificial sweeteners. If you are searching for an organic, keto-friendly protein powder that is rich in vitamins and minerals, this is a fantastic option. It's suitable for both men and women looking for a healthy meal replacement. What people say. The Kachavs are incredibly comfortable and provide excellent support for long walks. I love the stylish design of the Kachavs. They look great with both casual and athletic wear. The durable construction of the Kachavs ensures they will last for a long time, even with frequent use. Number 1. Braun Series 3 Electric Razor for Men. Experience a close and comfortable shave with the Braun Series 3. Its precision trimmer ensures neatness, while the wet and dry functionality offers flexibility. This rechargeable shaver is always ready when you are. Enjoy the convenience of a quick charge for a reliable grooming experience. Take it to the sink or use it in the shower. Its wet and dry capabilities provide a versatile and refreshing shave. Keep it in top condition with the included clean and charge station. It automatically cleans, dries, and charges your shaver for optimal performance. This 3-piece set includes everything you need for a perfect shave and easy maintenance. It's designed for your daily grooming routine. The included travel case makes it easy to take your shaver on the go. Maintain your look wherever you are. What we like. Achieve a perfect shave and beard style with this versatile tool. If you are looking for a rechargeable shaver that offers both wet and dry functionality, along with precision trimming, this is an excellent choice. It's designed for men who want convenience and a clean, polished look with minimal effort. What people say. The Kachavs are incredibly comfortable and provide excellent support for long periods of wear. The build quality of the Kachavs is impressive, with durable materials that feel like they will last a long time. The design of the Kachavs is sleek and modern, making them suitable for both casual and formal occasions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.